how to use miles on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use miles on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. Now, to use your miles, the first step to do is to log in into your Hawaii Airlines account, either through the app or through the website. And then once you're logged in, the major and the most straightforward way to redeeming your miles is the same way as using your miles, okay? To redeem your miles is to use them to pay for Hawaii Airlines flights. All right, you can always use your miles to pay for a seat or to upgrade your flight from an economic class to a first or business class. And then how do you go about this? The first step is to first of all check out your number of miles, that is number of miles you have available, and how do you check it out? For you to be able to check it out, you would have to sign in first into your account. And then how do you sign in? Move to the top right corner of the screen if you are using the mobile app, and then click on the sign in option, and then go ahead and sign in into your account. And then once you're signed in, by the time you click on the more option, which is located by the lower right corner of the screen, you will see the option of my account. And then by the time you click on it, you will be able to check out your miles. Now, after checking out the number of miles you have, you must note that flight awards start as low as 7,500 miles one way for travel within Hawaii, or 20,000 miles between Hawaii and West Coast. So if your miles is not up to this, you might not be able to make use of your miles. But if it is, next thing you can just use to go ahead and book a flight. All right. So after booking your flight and then the flight has been found, by the time you're taken to another page, you will see the option of you redeeming your miles. That is using your miles to pay for your flight. So ensure you select that option, and then by the time you're about to pay, instead of you making payments from your bank account or through your credit card, you'll be able to use your mouse to make payments. And also you can also use your mouse to upgrade from a lower class to an higher class. So this is basically how you can use your mouse on Hawaii Airlines. You can also use your mouse to explore, all right, to partner with other airlines. Okay, you can use it to book partner hotels, you can exchange miles for rental cars, you can also use your miles to order gift cards and all of that. So but the major thing to do is to sign in first of all. By the time you sign in, you'll see the several ways you can use your mouse for to your own advantage. So thanks for watching and have a good day.